Okay guys, so we're gonna just remove the windshield using a cut knife, the one we made with the 3D printer. So my style is gonna be making the turns on the corner, so we don't have to get the support. But also you can make with the 3D printer, you can make this portable Z-blade keeper. You got 2 magnets, or you place in place, magnet, right? So you can take it off, and we're gonna use it in the job over there, all right? See you, vamos, let's go. All right, so we're gonna use the first plate on the edge. All right, so we're gonna do, we can make this one more longer, more shorter. So this is only the prototype, okay? You can make another one. So this one, they only have to do is make my turn, okay? And let's gonna mix if we can or not. Let's try. All right. Make my turn. All right. Now, when we get the corner here, let's try this way. All right. It's a little difficult to control the handle. So we can just take away the handle and make another shape. Probably just the handle this way, and we have to make this one solid because it's making a little bit, and it's a little difficult to control this way, okay? But so far, not bad. You see, in this way it's difficult to control straight, right? So there at this point. That's it. So let's gonna make a double cut. So maybe the next one I'm gonna print is make this solid. I don't want to get the move, because when you move it's difficult to control the handle. Maybe more longer could be work better. All right, let's see. A little more difficult to control the handle because it's moving this way. So we're gonna do is probably making in one piece, and that's it, okay? All right. Okay. Now this way. Right there. So definitely we're gonna make another one in a solid piece, so we don't have to make turns because that's difficult to control. Or when I'm doing the next one is just one blade in the middle, that way we can control the turns, okay? Because this one is difficult to control the handle this way. All right. Oh, let's see if we can use only the handle. Maybe just the handle. It's gonna be more easy. Yeah, probably the handle is more easy to control. All right. So you see we don't have any scratch on the side, okay? Everything is clean. So far it's fine. So we're going to change for the next printer. It's going to be make the blade only in the middle, right there, and probably the handle just make it in one piece. So print it right there without move. This way we can control more easy. And I'm gonna make the printer in the middle for the blade, and the next part of the handle will be one piece. Or we can create a shape this way to control the blade, okay, like this one. Now we're gonna do maybe make another little handle over here, so that way we can have control easy, okay. And maybe more shorter if in case we gotta go under the hood in some cars. But you can print different styles in 3D printers. So this one works so far, but it still is a lot of problems to control the turn, because the blade want to make turns and it's gonna scratch the paint, the pitch wheel, or the paint, I mean. So far it's good, but I need to change the design for this blade. It's good to have the port over here, but the problem is I need to control the center or the middle one right here to control the cap. And this one don't make turns. It's gotta be only one way, like this. Another handle here, and it's gonna be a nice and a straight cut. Okay, guys. So far it's good. So I'm gonna cut the bottom with the extractor or the long knife or whatever on my line, because I can use it. So this is for the cut knife. So let me work in the next design and see you next video. Remember, this 2025 I will posting videos using the 3D printer technology, different ideas, and if you like it, good. If not, sorry, this guy is dusty. Everything in the shop. So you like the idea, it's good. If not, I mean, you can buy your printer, just print whatever you want, any style you want, and play with the geometry, shapes, and that's all. Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you next time. I got more work to do. See you next.